Learn vehicles with words.
Beep beep.
I'm in a tractor. Tractor.
Yeah, I'm in a bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Bonk, wow, wonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Ding, bonk, bonk, bonk. Ding, ding. Bonk, bonk, bonk.
Monster truck.
Oh yeah, Mercedes all up in a dump truck.
Dump truck.
I'm on a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, I do believe that I'm in an excavator.
Excavator.
Yeah, I'm in a car.
Car.
Yeah. I'm in a tractor trailer. Yeah.
Tractor trailer.
Well, you know me, I like driving school buses.
School bus.
I tell you what, I'm in a helicopter.
Helicopter. Until next time on vidsforkids.tv. Click the links below for more videos.